geography comes from the Greek word geographia, which means the study of the physical features on Earth. So, what are some terms that we can come up with that relate to geography? I'll do the first two for you. So I'm going to say that oceans and rivers have to deal with geography. How about, what do you think, Emma?
Mountains.
Yeah.
And islands. And volcanoes.
And what is a volcano, Emma?
A volcano is a mountain that explodes lava.
Yeah, no, that's great. How about the word peninsula?
Yeah, like
Can you tell me
Florida.
what a peninsula is?
A peninsula is a land that's kind of like an island, except it only has water on 3 sides, not all 4.
That's great. And can you tell me any other terms that go with this?
Straight.
Yeah. How about inlet?
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you can think of?
Peak.
Okay. Okay. One more.
Fjord.
Yeah, what's a fjord?
Fjord
It's a funny word,
is
isn't it?
an inlet that's surrounded by steep cliffs.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so now that we have these awesome set of geography words, how can we categorize them?
How about into water and land?
Yeah, that's great, Emma. Okay. And how do you think we would place these words into these categories?
Volcano is land,
Yeah.
and ocean is water.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to say that a river has to deal with water, right?
Yeah.
And a peninsula has to deal with land.
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you try straight and mountains for me?
Straight is water,
Okay.
and mountains are land
Why are mountains land?
because they're big land that goes up into the sky. They're not water.
That's great. Okay. I'll do inlet and island. I'm going to say island is going to be land and an inlet is water. Am I right?
Yeah,
Can you tell me why?
because an island is land that's surrounded by water, and an inlet is water that goes from the ocean to the land.
That's awesome, Emma. You're totally correct. Can you do the last two for me?
A fjord is water, and a peak is land.
Awesome. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to read Alaska Adventure, and after that we're going to come up with some new words to put up on our map, okay?
Okay.
And then students will read Alaska Adventure. So Emma, did you come up with any new words to put onto our map?
I did.
What words did you come up with?
Lagoon.
And what is a lagoon?
Lagoon is a body of water that is away from the ocean by sand, like a beach or rocks.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, how about some more?
Cape,
Okay.
like Superman.
Almost. So a cape is a piece of land that sticks out into the ocean. So with that being said, where would we put it?
So it's the cape for the land, the big land it goes.
Yeah, kind of. You could think of it like that.
Okay. That would be land.
Okay. Okay.
Cove.
Okay. And where would that go?
That would go underwater.
Perfect. One more.
Archipelago.
It's actually pronounced archipelago. But that was a great
Okay.
shot. I would probably pronounce it like that too. So what is the archipelago?
An archipelago is
Do you need some help?
yes.
Okay, so archipelago is a group of many islands. So you can think of it like Hawaii.
Okay.
Okay, so now that we have this great, awesome map that separates all of our words out, let's see if we can answer some questions based on the map, okay? So if I wanted to go fishing, would I look for a lagoon or a peninsula?
You would look for a lagoon
Why would I look for a lagoon, Emma?
because there's no water on a peninsula. It's surrounded by water, but it's land, and you can't find fish on land.
That's great. Okay, so if I wanted to go camping, would I pitch my tent on an island or an ocean?
You would pitch it on an island. You would sink in the ocean because it's water, and you can't pitch a tent on water.
That's perfect. Okay, so what is the difference between a peak and a volcano?
A volcano has lava that comes out of it, and a peak doesn't.
Yeah, we can also say that a volcano is an exploding peak, and
Ah.
a peak is just something that sits on top of a mountain.
Okay.
Okay, so can an island have a cape?
Yes.
Do you want to tell me why?
Because the island has there's lots of land, and a piece of the island could stick out and be the cape of the island.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so remember those funny questions I asked you a second ago? Like, would you rather put your tent in an ocean or an island?
Yeah.
We're gonna come up with our own.
Okay.
So I'll give you the frame for it, and you can come up with words for me, okay? So, would you drive your car across a blank or blank? What do you think we could put there?
How about volcano
Okay.
and ocean?
Okay. Now let's look at this. And why couldn't you drive your car across an ocean?
Because it's water, and the car would sink.
So it's water, right? So let's write water here. And what did we say a volcano was earlier?
Exploding mountain.
Yeah. So exploding drive your car across?
No.
No. Yeah. But
Maybe
you're
if
right,
I had
though.
a
It is
supercar.
land. Huh?
Maybe if I had a supercar.
Yeah, supercars are really cool. But maybe, even though a volcano is land and we could technically drive over it, it's not the safest bet. So let's see if we can come up with 2 more words. And I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll do one and you do the other one, okay?
Okay.
So would you rather drive your car across a lagoon or a what?
Island.
Yeah. And which one would be the answer?
An island.
Can you tell me why?
Because an island is land and a lagoon is water, and the car would sink in the lagoon.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now that we know this concept and we know how to make what this is called, is like a graphic organizer, and now that we can separate our words into your centers, you guys will have a story tomorrow that you guys can look at and like dissect some words, and then we'll talk about it after. All right?
Okay.